One of the biggest challenges that the sales for the technology providers face is the rapid pace of innovation that's happening in this industry and the newer and newer products that are coming up. Old products are getting commoditized very quickly, and newer products are the ones which would get higher margins, and companies are constantly bringing in products, let's say in analytics, AI, ML, and what have you, right? And that poses a very specific problem for the salespersons because they need to understand how these new products would make sense to a customer's business and what would be the business value that would come from these new products. And a lot of these new products are also aimed not at the CIO, but for the line of business managers. And with line of business managers, you need to have the conversations that the line of business managers can relate to. So picking up on those conversations fast, getting the products off the shelves onto the customer shelves at a fast pace, reducing sales cycles by having the right conversations, increasing your win rates for new products, because that's always a challenge when you're introducing new products. Those are some of the big challenges that I see with sales folks.